Hi everyone and welcome to my day 15 of my 90 days Go Run Success Challenge. Today's topic is source of motivation. Para sa hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, my name is Ann. I'm a digital business owner and running a business, and you have to be motivated in order to succeed. I would like to discuss a few of my motivation for my business. Lahat ng mga kani-kanilang source of motivation upang pasimulan ang kanilang business, keep it running strong. And narito ang ilang idea nga para sa pagsisimulan ng motivation. Sa pamamagitan ng mga totoong mga kwento, pinaghusayan na practice or training videos. The business partner people you know may already know or work with already that have become successful. And your own personal reason for wanting to start a business will usually be very motivational or sa inyong sarili. Ito yung dahilan at mga layunin kung bakit mo ginawa ang negosyo. Ang iyong dahilan ay malamang na maging pinakamatibay mong motivation. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow, day 16. Ingat po kayo and God bless. Salamat!